I stand. My name is Mace. I stand by this message.
Alright, this is the fake Rockstar chat show episode 12. And so I'm super excited. So one of the things there's a couple things I wanted to do in here. And I still have a lot more stuff that I kind of want to do in here. However, I'm trying to see which one I want to do first. It's three things to kind of like show off, but okay. Let's do this one first. So, first of all, compact HD streaming video drone with wide angle lens. HD. I'm not sure what y'all call HD, but it says it records 1280 by 720p HD camera. Yeah, the visual's gonna be ass. Camera streams video directly to your mobile device while simultaneously recording video on the micro SD card. New training mode with obstacle avoidance technology. Ergonomic photo design allows you to take your drone anywhere. Air pressure sensor automatically locks your altitude in place. Invent Sense 6-axis gyro for smooth and stable filming. Automatically starts and lands with the push of a button. 3 speed settings and push button 360 stunt rolls. We'll see what we need to do with that. 200 feet wireless flight range. And then those are all the specs to it. And so, you know, one of my goals, one of the things I really just was excited to do inside the graffiti jungle, I feel like it's really starting to look like that, you know what I'm saying? You got plants, like it's a jungle, it's art, graffiti, like, yeah, bro. It's really starting to feel like a graffiti jungle, but I have it. The next part is gonna make me feel even crazier, but I really want to do an unboxing here. So, let's get this out. And so, the size of it isn't a complaint. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna need screwdrivers to get this out. Please don't take it. It better not be screwdrivers, bro. I was about to say. It's screwed to this plastic. Bruh, you know, if I was gonna need screwdrivers, I was about to be. So it said that controller requires 3 AAA batteries, not included. So I wasn't sure. It didn't say anything about like what's included in the box and how does it charge. I'm assuming it's gonna have a port in here, probably like an Android charger. And so we'll see whatchamacallit. All right, so we can use this for a size reference. It is compact. There is a compact design. That's all right. However, you also know with something like this, talking about it got stable control and this and the third, like, boy, let the wind blow. Let that wind blow. Shit. Fly that shit out somewhere if you want to. The wind gonna take it. The wind will take it. I'm not confident in that at all. I'm really not confident in that at all. And so, yes, it has a Android charger. I'm not sure what this other little piece is. And it has a there's this other little USB, so I guess I'm gonna have to actually read the instructions to figure out what the heck is going on with this. So the main goal was to do an unboxing. And so the unboxing part is done. All right, the unboxing part is done. Does it have? Whoa, now that would be different. I ain't got my glasses on. What? What the hell? What the helly? Oh, this shit ain't got no instructions? Oh. Oh. Did I? Oh, snap. That shit say charge it up and go. Holy shit, cow. Well, how's it going to connect to the phone? Oh, shit. What the absolute... Well, what the hell is this? What is in here, dude? This shit ain't got no directions? What the hell is this? What is that? What are these? What are those? What the hell are these? I don't know what that's for. Oh, and these are propellers. They just, what the? Oh, those might be legs that go on the bottom of this shit or something. When it land, I don't know. Wow. Okay. Oh. Bro, what? Alright, the unboxing part is done. The other thing I wanted to show off is like when I was painting, I was like, I had to like lay down and I had to have my arm on the ground. And so like that was uncomfortable with me trying to paint and whatnot. And so even then when I'm like, when I go lay down, I'm like, yo, it would be nice to have like a cushion. Not for the pushing. Not cushion for the pushing, just saying. It'd be nice to have a cushion. So, okay, here's a little screwdriver. And then this is a USB. Bro. The fact that this shit, like usually, you know, like you don't even care for an instruction manual, but if it, like, huh? You got the USB. I'm gonna see if, well, shit. I'm gonna see if I can figure this shit the fuck out. Let me see if I can figure this shit the fuck out. What else is they got no goddamn instructions? Yeah, but my only thing was that it said they were supposed to connect. It was supposed to get to the phone. I don't know how to do that. Maybe it's supposed to be Bluetooth. Like micro SD card. So I'm just saying recording on anything. I don't know how I was gonna do that. And this shit ain't got no like, you know how sometimes it just be having like a QR code. Okay. Anyway, if you ever played Pokemon, then they had like, Pokemon had like tree houses or just like hideouts. So you had your mom's house and you had your room up there, but then you had hideouts and you could decorate the hideouts. And then sometimes like if you battle somebody with a link cable, like sometimes they might be at your hideout or, you know what I'm saying? And you could battle them again there and stuff like that. I think if you guys like swap trading cards, information, whatever, from the trading cable shit. Anyway, I think you know where I'm going with this. Well, no, this shit really starting to feel like this shit in real life. All right. Because I was thinking, right? I was like, because sometimes I be laying down, I use my shoe. I'm like, I'm saying just something like, maybe even it's the size of my shoe even. Boom, I can just put my whatchamacallit there. Boom. Now, Squirtle does evolve into War Turtle, and then at level 36, Hydro Pump, bitch. So we got Blastoise and Squirtles as plushies. We actually, it's like real life Pokédolls, bro. Real life Pokédolls, and of course, you know the correct starter to choose is Charmander and Charizard. However, as a pillow, this definitely works. This definitely works, bro. So here and here, now I have like pillows to lay down on. But I mentioned the whole Pokemon hideout shit because you could have Pokédolls and you could put Pokédolls across and around your hideout and shit. So like that shit was fire. That shit dope. So I'm gonna put them right there for right now. Put them right here, just to kind of like, whatchamacallit. And if this shit wanna stand up, stand up, bum, 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 bum. So now, we got Squirtle and Blastoise. And we got Iron, and of course, Graffiti Silk Venom T-Painted Tarantula Tyranitar is up here, chilling like a villain. And the Koki Dama. Or that was a This is a Kokedama, the moss ball part. This is a bromeliad, and that is the plant that I've been whatchamacallit. This is a bromeliad Kokedama. So this is a bromeliad. It doesn't have to be inside of a moss ball Kokedama. Quick update, I did find the instructions. They were in this little slot right here behind whatchamacallit, so that's actually okay. So I'm going to attempt to do the Dragon Ball Z picture again. I have to do the reference one more time. I just also noticed that everything is also facing left. And this one's going to be facing left as well, but that's really okay.
You are a fool! I'm going to crush you and throw you into the wind! And yes, even for you, Kakarot.